Lalo pang lalakas ang relasyon ng Britanya at Pilipinas. Ito'y dahil sa pagbisita ng British Permanent Undersecretary na si Simon Fraser. Kinilala rin ni Fraser ang patuloy na paglago ng ekonomiya ng bansa sa pamumuno ni Pangulong Aquino. Narito ang report ni Sweden Velado.
Sa pangalawang beses na pagpunta sa Pilipinas ni British Permanent Undersecretary Simon Fraser, kinilala niya ang patuloy na lumalagong ekonomiya ng bansa. Kaya naman isa sa mga pangunahing layunin ng kanyang pagbisita ang tiyaking masigla at payapa ang relasyon ng Britanya sa Pilipinas, partikular sa usapin ng kalakalan.
My primary objective is to visit our embassy here, of course, and to take forward different aspects of the important relationship between the Philippines and the United Kingdom. I'm very conscious that I'm coming here almost exactly 1 year after Typhoon Yolanda hit, and of course that was a major tragic episode for this country, and I was very pleased that the embassy and the United Kingdom were able to offer a lot of support.
Ang ating bansa ang nagsisilbing tahanan para sa Business Process Outsourcing o BPO ng Embahada ng Britanya sa Pilipinas.
They are helping all our embassies in this region do their recruitment campaigns, to recruit new staff. They are helping them to do their financial planning, to project their finances and their budgeting. They're helping them to professionalize their procurement, to make sure that they are doing that effectively and policing contracts. And then they're helping posts not only in this region but more widely in the world to process their financial transactions in an effective way.
Ayon kay Fraser, napili nila ang Pilipinas na pagtayuan ng kanilang shared services hub dahil na rin sa natatanging husay at kasanayan nating mga Pinoy. Katunayan, malaking porsyento ng kanilang empleyado ay mga Pilipino.
You have tremendous expertise in this country, in this area. We have the same language, which is very useful, but you also have, as I say, people who are highly qualified in this area. We believe that the Philippines and indeed the Asia-Pacific region is going to be a driver of growth. You have very good economic growth in this country.
Tiwala si Fraser na sa ganda ng takbo ng ekonomiya ng Pilipinas, hindi malayong mas mapalawig pa nila ang serbisyo ng kanilang BPO maging sa iba pang bahagi ng bansa. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, ako si Sweden Velado.